In this video, we will discuss copying assemblies to a tool palette. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file copying assemblies to a tool palette.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D makes it very easy to copy assemblies between drawings. Let's say you created this super duper assembly and you want to use it in another project. To do so, you would copy it to your tool palettes. Let's see what happens when you do this. To copy anything to a tool palette, we'll go ahead and make our tool palette active and we'll navigate to the Assemblies palette. To interact with anything in the tool palette, you simply right click. If you wanted to, let's say, create a brand new palette, you would right click on here and click on New Palette. If you right click on the different parts, you'll get different shortcut menus, the groups that are available to navigate to. For now, we'll just go to the Assemblies palette and we'll go ahead and drag this assembly onto this one here. I'm going to turn off auto hide. That way the tool palette will stay open. To drag this over, you simply select the object and simply click on it. Do not pick one of the grips and drag it onto the tool palette and let go. When you do so, you'll notice you get a new entry called TYP01. So what magical things are going on in the background? What's going on is Civil 3D is simply copying this entire assembly to its own DWG file and calling it TYP01. If you open up Windows Explorer and navigate to your application data folder, you'll notice a folder called Autodesk, C3D, the version you're working with, ENU, and then Assemblies. And here is the assembly copied to its own DWG file, allowing you to use this assembly in other drawings for other projects.